portal where you can align your energy with your goal. Hi guys, have you seen this movie Nadania? It's full of manifestation vocabulary and techniques like vision board, and this is a beautiful vision board, I must say. Halaki, as a manifestation coach, this is not holistic and well balanced, and of course उसने character पिया ने भी just point out किया, and I'll tell you more things that how this vision board could be even better. However, this is very beautiful and very good for sensory work, so this is very nice. And yeah, of course we'll talk more about it, and I must appreciate Bollywood. They have started coming up with these things in the movies, and it's very good to spread awareness because manifestation is the power. And those of you who are watching me for the first time, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I am your manifestation coach to make you successful everywhere: health, wealth, love, business, everywhere. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon also so that you receive the notification. So subscribe and let's begin. Let's talk about this movie. Must watch.
Main goal, my passion project, Quick कानून, एक ऐप जो आम जनता को कंट्री के बेस्ट
बहुत सही है, बहुत सही विजन बोर्ड है. अब सुनो.
उसके बाद वीसी फंडिंग लूंगा. बाद में इस ऐप को करोड़ों में गूगल को बेच दूंगा.
लवली.
माँ और पापा फाइनली रिटायर हो जाएंगे.
या
बहुत साल मेहनत की है दोनों ने किया. मुझे उन्हें बेस्ट जिंदगी.
अब पहले पिया की बात सुन लेते हैं. यस पिया, बोलो. ध्यान से देख रही है.
क्या सोच रही हो?
इस विजन बोर्ड में दोस्तों, लाइफ और प्यार के लिए कोई जगह है क्या?
Pia is right. She's pointing it out right. इस विजन बोर्ड में दोस्तों के लिए, लाइफ के लिए और प्यार के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है, एंड शी इज वेरी राइट. Of course, and also this is not a very well balanced vision board. The best vision board should have ideally the spiritual connection in the center, because you know it is about crown chakra, and if you do not have a spiritual connection, then you can actually get into depression. Just understand this. Even if he achieves whatever he has mentioned over there, and if he doesn't have a spiritual connection, he might just get bored out of it one day. What if he achieves everything and then he feels that, oh God, this just means nothing? So the best vision board must have a spiritual connection in the center of it. And then it is a holistic vision board by adding your love life, as pointed out by the character Pia in this movie. So we must have all aspects. A vision board should be healthy and well balanced. You must have aspects of health, how you want your fitness and everything to be, and then wealth, what all properties you want, what is your career like, how much you earn. And by this, I like the way this year progression is there. All that you must add, the cars, the property that you want to buy, the passive income, everything should be there. And of course, relationships you must add. And then with your relationships, what are you doing? You're traveling, or you are doing things together, like you have a project together, or you have kids together, or you do shopping together. Whatever your aspirations are, they should be there, you know, inside the vision board. And then it will become a very holistic vision board. When it comes true, it will bring you fulfillment which you are looking for.
वॉलपेपर 1111 क्यों है तुम्हारा?
पोल्यूशन की वजह से टूटते तारे नहीं दिखते ना, तो 1111 वो शूटिंग स्टार है.
Really?
ये देखो, यू मेक अ विश. चलो मैं दिखाती हूँ. हाँ तो आंखें बंद करो एंड मेक अ विश.
Okay guys, let's just talk about it. 1111. And जब भी हम 1111 देखते हैं तो most of us just want to just make a wish. अब मुझे ये दे दो भगवान, मुझे ये दे दो, ये दे दो, ये दे दो. And of course they are also talking like ये कोई टूटता तारा है जो पोल्यूशन में नहीं दिख रहा, तो मैंने 1111 वॉलपेपर लगा लिया. But actually 1111 is a beautiful portal where you can align your energy with your goal. And it's not that you have to ask for that wish. You have to really get into that frequency which matches with your wish. Also, this is a sign of synchronicity. जब आप manifestation technique अच्छे से करते हो and you are in the flow and surrender, then you will be seeing 1111 on your own. You don't have to set a wallpaper for that, because wallpaper set करने की क्या जरूरत है? घड़ी में 1111 होगा. 1111 जब होगा, and if you're doing the manifestation techniques correctly, you will look at it. Look inside my coaching. It's buzzing with 1111, 2222, 222, 111. It's buzzing whole day. Why? Not that हम ऐसे फोन लेके बैठे हुए हैं. It's flow and surrender, and it's synchronicity. Every time it happens, you look at it and spot it, and you will know that you are on the right path. You are manifesting correctly, and it's on its way in your life. So guys, हमने देखा कि the movies are also catching up with manifestations, and of course you know इसमें भी थोड़ी सी कमियां हैं movie में, because exactly of course they are doing their best in showing things about manifestation and spreading awareness, but the real knowledge comes when you are with a coach. Now you see this power really exists, and now we all know that it exists. Now what is the point in just using it as something fancy, like ऊपर से copy करना? It's better that you do it properly and apply this knowledge completely in your life, so that you can see that real change. और उसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना, simple as subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I make content which is already applied in my coaching and has given results. So all you have to do is subscribe, and click that bell icon so that you receive the notifications. And now अगर आपको vision board properly बनाना है, तो please comment below that you want to see a video on how to make a proper vision board, and I'll make a video for you. So I'm waiting for your comments down below so that I can create another video for you with a proper vision board from a coach that works every single time. See you.